Which one will cool faster? This is the question. From the clipping itself, you are able to understand what would be the question. Here, two different cases are taken. In the first case, the room temperature is 20 degrees Celsius. Within this room, a cup of tea is kept and the temperature of the tea is 80 degrees Celsius. This is case number 1. In the second case, the temperature of the room, that is temperature of the surrounding, is 40 degrees Celsius. Within this room, another cup of tea is kept and the temperature of the tea is 80 degrees Celsius. The question is, which cup of tea will cool faster? The answer for this particular question that could be answered and also explained with the help of Newton's law of cooling. Before going to see about Newton's law of cooling, I will tell the answer. In the first case, the temperature difference between the tea and the surrounding is 60 degrees Celsius. In the second case, the temperature difference between the tea and the surrounding is 40 degrees Celsius. In the first case, the temperature difference is more. The temperature difference between the surrounding and the tea is more. Therefore, the tea in the first room, that one will cool faster compared to the second one. So this is the answer for this very interesting question. Now, here the rate of loss of heat, that is directly proportional to the temperature difference between the body and the surrounding. That is a statement of Newton's law of cooling. Mainly this law is meant only for cooling. If you talk about cooling, it shows that the body loses the heat. Here we have to measure the rate of loss of heat. Rate of loss of heat means how much amount of heat is lost by the hot body in a particular duration of time. That is called rate of loss of heat. What Newton's law of cooling says, it states that rate of loss of heat of a body is directly proportional to the difference in the temperature between the body and the surrounding. It means that if the temperature of the body and the surrounding is, if the temperature difference is more, the rate of loss of heat will also be more. That is, the object, the body, that one will cool very faster. If the temperature difference is less, if the temperature difference between the surrounding and the body is less, the rate of loss of heat of the body will also be less. It will take longer time for cooling. So that is the meaning of Newton's law of cooling. You know the statement of Newton's law of cooling. The mathematical form of Newton's law of cooling is given here. dq by dt is directly proportional to T minus Ts. What is dq by dt? Rate of loss of heat of the body is mentioned as dq by dt. It means that dq means loss of heat energy of the body, that is measured with respect to time. How much amount of heat is lost in a particular duration of time is called dq by dt. That is directly proportional to T minus Ts. Here T is nothing but temperature of the object and Ts is nothing but temperature of the surrounding. Here the temperature difference is mentioned as T minus Ts, temperature difference between the body and the surrounding. If the temperature difference between the body and the surrounding is more, rate of loss of heat of the body will also be more. It shows that the object will be cooling in a very faster rate. If the temperature difference is more, the object will be cooling in a faster rate. Rate of loss of heat will be more. Here the negative sign indicates that quantity of heat lost by the body goes on decreasing with time. Look at the graph which is drawn nearby. Time is taken along X and temperature is taken along y-axis. This is the graph which is drawn for cooling of a hot water with respect to time. From the graph, it is clearly understood that the rate of cooling is high in the initial stage and decreases with falling temperature. The meaning is, in the initial stage, the object loses the heat in a very faster rate. That's why the graph, it is suddenly it falls. Later, slowly it's decreasing. Okay, the temperature, it is slowly decreasing when time goes on increasing.